Assalamu alaikum class 1. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy, safe and enjoying your online classes. Students, I hope you are doing your classworks and homeworks time to time with your teachers. Okay, students, now move towards our academics. Today we are going to do, you are watching that I have written here materials and objects. This is the topic of our, this is our new topic. Okay. Now take out your textbook. This is our textbook. Open page number 55. Open page number 55. Unit number 6. Materials and objects. What is the topic? Materials and objects. We have different materials and we have different objects in our house, in our home also. Look around you, you will see lots of things, both big and small. There are so many things and there are so many objects around us in our home, in our school and outside the school and outside the home also. So you can see here there are some objects of different shapes, different sizes. Objects can be of different shapes and different sizes. And we can put things in groups according to their size, shape, weight or texture. It means materials and objects can have a different size, shape, weight or texture. I have this is a texture, this is a duster. Objects are of different textures, rough, smooth, hard and soft. A cotton, this is a soft texture. It has a soft texture. You can feel the texture also. It has very soft. This is a duster. You can see the rough texture and the sound. It has very rough texture. You can feel the texture also. This color pencil is very hard. I cannot break it without applying force. It is very hard. It has a definite shape. And if we look this book, this is very smooth texture. It has very smooth texture. Okay, students, can you understand? Objects are of different weights also. This cotton has no weight. It has very light weight. It has very light weight. Okay, this duster has a weight. It is heavier than the cotton. It is heavier than the cotton. Okay? So this duster is heavy and the cotton is light. It has soft texture but not smooth. Okay? This marker is lighter than the duster. This marker is lighter than the duster. Students, all the objects we see around us are made from different materials. Things are of different materials. In this picture above, you can see lots of objects. This is a picture of a classroom. You can see different things, different material, different objects made up of different materials. The table, the desk is made up of wood. Chair is made up of iron and wood. Blackboard is made up of wood. Very nice. The walls, what's the wall are made up of? Walls are made up of bricks. Very nice. Okay, move towards page number 57. The blackboard is made up of wood, the chairs are made up of metal or wood and the books are made up of paper. You can see this is paper. This book is made up of paper. Acha, some materials are natural while others are man-made. Can anybody tell me this pen is a natural thing or a man-made thing? Yes, can anybody tell me? Very nice. This pen is made up by a man. Very good. It is not a natural thing. It is a man-made thing. Very nice. Okay. There are some here they are providers. Here we have some things, man-made material, and this is a picture of natural things: water, rock, wood, log, flowers, ठीक है, sun, this tree. These all are natural things. These are natural things. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made these things for us, and these are some things which are made by man-made. They are man-made things. ठीक है. Using materials. The materials which come from plants, animals, or from under the ground are called natural materials. The things shown below are made of natural material. This pencil is made of wood. Hammer made of metal and wood. Jacket made of leather. Material, here we use material of natural material, but made by man. These things are made by man, but the material we are using here is natural material. Okay, these are the man-made things. These are the man-made things. ठीक है, things made of plastic are man-made things. The things shown below are made of man-made material. ठीक है, here we use material to make these things. What the material is? Man-made material. ठीक है, materials which have been made by people using natural materials are called man-made materials. We can use the same material to make different things. Wood is a natural material. We get wood from trees. And trees are the natural material, and wood is also a natural material. Can a person make a wood? No. Nobody can make a wood, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made trees, and we get the material wood from trees. ठीक है. Plastic is a man-made material. Glass is a man-made material. This is a glass. ठीक है. This mirror is made up of a glass. ठीक है. Plastic and glass are man-made things. Plastic is made from natural oil, and glass is made from natural sand. Clear, students? Look at these 3 spoons. They are made of plastic, metal, and wood. This is a spoon made of plastic. This is a steel spoon, and this is a wooden spoon. Okay, students? Plastic is a man-made material. Steel is iron is a natural material. Wood is also a natural material. Clear? Now we have some exercises. Open page number 6060. 6060. First, what we have to do, we have to write the date here. Today the date is 3/12/2020. It means 3rd December 2020, and this is your class work. So mention CW here. Okay. Number 1 question is, choose the correct answer. They have given us some options over here. We have to choose the right option. Which of these is used to make plastic? We have read before on page number 59 that plastic is made of natural oil. Plastic is made from natural oil. So what should be the answer? Tree, sand, metal or oil. Very nice. Plastic is made from natural oil. So circle the option C, oil. Do it with me. Number 2 is, which of these is a natural material? Wood, glass, plastic or cardboard? Wood, glass, plastic or cardboard? What would be the answer? Very good. Wood. We get wood from trees, and trees are the natural material. So circle A. Number 3 is, which of these is a man-made thing? River, rock, brick and bird. Which one is a man-made thing? Brick. We use bricks to make a building. 4 is, which of these is a group of hard things? Hard things. Stone, brick or wood? Feathers, stone, cotton, brick, cloth, razor, cloth, stone and paper. Yes. What would be the answer? Stone, brick and wood. These 3 things are heavier than the other 3 groups. Okay? So number A option is the right option. Which of these objects is smooth? Mirror, jagged rocks, cactus or sandpaper? Cactus, sandpaper, mirror or jagged rocks. ठीक है? Smooth. So yes, mirror is the right answer. Number 2 question is, why do you think toys are made of plastic? What could happen if they were made of glass? Can we use glass toys instead of plastic toys? It is safe or it can be dangerous? Very good. Plastic is safe than the glass. Okay. So write with me. Glass can be broken and can injure a child. So it is harmful. है ना? It can be harmful to make a glass toy. Okay students, this is your class work, and what is your homework? First you have to write the date here, 3/12/2020 HW, and you have to do this as a homework. Write these words in the correct columns in the table. Here are 2 columns. There is a table, man-made things and natural things. You have to choose man-made things here and choose and write here, and natural things here. Some objects are soft, some are hard. Draw a green circle around those that are soft and a red circle around those that are hard. Door is a hard or soft? Very nice. So we use red color to make a circle around the door. Okay, now turn your page number 62. You have to write the date also, 3/12/2020 HW, and question number 5 and 6 also. You have this is your homework, page number 61 and page number 62 as a homework. I hope students you understand this very well, and I hope I tried my level best to make a clear to give you a clear view about the material and objects made up of different things, ठीक है, and different things and so students, we will meet in our next science class. Hope you can do it easily. Okay then, Allah Hafiz.